Nice ka.
Atras si gamay ninyo, girls. Girls, atras mo gamay. Wala man ako nakuan. Wala ako napindot ang 60. Suga, J.
Thank you so much. Sandro Reyes and Jeremy Gayoso, our men's national football team. Also to Sir John Gutierrez, thank you sir for gracing this Mango Ranch Football Cup 2026 to the Philippine Football Federation as well. Your presence is very much appreciated, sir. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Ito ada sila dito. Sila lang kontrato. Ay. Corner.
Auto mo na igo.
Aw.
Hey, base line! Base line! Yeah. Wala pag
Tra. Bantay Mar.
Nice ka.
Oh. Bantay.
Allah.
Team standings results for the U6 category. Coaches, please be guided accordingly. Results for the U6 and under category. Bracket A. Team standings results. Bracket A, U6 and under. Don Bosco FC, 3 points. Leon Kilat FC, 9 points. BCFC, B.
Nga, patay na.
Bayawan City Football Club, B.
Sa po nang
Nil.
ubod, padapli ng...
Football Kings United FC, A. 6 points. Therefore, bracket A. Top 1. Having 9 points, Leon Kilat FC.
Woo!
Followed by top 2.
Tapuan na itong...
Having 6 points,
Gagmayos.
FKU FCA. And for the bracket B, 6 and under, mixed category. Bracket C, 4 points.
Lamia ato.
Delitos FC, 9 points. FKU FCB, nil.
Dul kayo siya.
BCFCA, 4 points. Therefore, bracket B top 1 having
Patay!
9 points. For
Patay,
Delitos
Mar!
FC. And then, for top 2, we have a tie. Mantas FC having 4 points and BCFCA having the same 4 points. Therefore, to break the tie, we go to the goal difference. Mantas FC goal difference of positive 1. Bayawan City FCA has a goal difference of the same, positive 1. Therefore, we go to the next to break the tie for the goals for the next score. Mangtas FC having 5 points. Bayawan City FC A having 4 points. Therefore, Mangtas FC gets the slot for the top 2 bracket B. Mangtas FC with having goal score of 5 points. Therefore, Mangtas FC gets the slot for top 2 bracket B. Thank you.
Paul.
Serwet, ikaw na serwet. Eh, sulod, eh. Ale!
Wa na lang jud usbi oy. Oh, pasa! Subin! Jan!
Bracket A, team standings results.
Awan kaayo!
Mangtas FC,
Oh, nagani ka dito ni mga
4
katakit.
points. Don Bosco FC, 4 points.
Get!
FKU FCA,
Bantay Mar!
FKU FCA, 9 points.
Wide, wide, wide!
Bayawan City FC, SAA,
Nga, siya may mupatid. Di po dagway dong. Sumuan ang bulan dong. No, lamias ground pula to.
Pagana, sayang eh.
Laos ba? Ka! Sige! Osba! Ka!
Aling hinaya ni mo kay. Tay kang mata ka, ano sa mga?
Next game, under 14 category. Next game, under 14 category. Page number 1, under 14, PNHS Red Rock DFC versus Bomb FC.
Wait!
Phil South and Margot Ranch. Thank you for gracing our occasion, sir.
Salamat, nakabawi.
Propriety.
Kapit oras na.
Kapit na. 9 minutes and 45.
Wait!
Sige! Doble na! Hala, oy! Hala, oy! La!
FC. Pitch number 1, under 14, PNH
Depensa, depensa!
FC versus BAM FC. Pitch number 2.
Pasa! Katag, katag, katag.
Pitch number 3, under 14, DEFA versus BCFC.
Oh, batay!
Pitch number 2,
Depensa, Mar!
DEFA versus
Ah!
BCFC. Pitch number 3, under 14, FKU FC versus Darwin Football United. Pitch number 3, FKU FC versus Darwin Football United. Pitch number 4, pitch
Pila ni ka
number
minute?
4, under 14,
15.
SU Red Stallions.
Bantay, Mar!
Bacolod Trinity.
Waa!
Page number 14, SU page number 4,
Wamar!
under 14 category, SU Red Stallions
Ka.
versus Bacolod Trinity.
Bantay! Hapit na time! Bantay! Depensa! Bantay! Going! Yan! Yan! Mar! Mar, balik, Mar! Mar, balik, Mar! Na! Na, bog! Sira! Kadimao pa
Gaya
dagan.
naman yung unang oras. Oy.
Hapit na ho time. Jeromel! Bantay!
Nice ka.
Ah! Sam! Go! Patay! Dula! Yes!
Referees.
Hapit na ba yung time? 9 minutes sila usa nakabalas og goal.
9 minutes.
Oh, usa sila naka-goal.